morning and welcome back student. So today we are going to start with the new topic joint bar graph. So let's begin. Student, observe the two bar graphs below which shows the wheat production in quintals in Ajay's and Vijay's farm. As you can see, the first one, this is Ajay's wheat production. Okay. Then second one, this is Vijay's wheat production. Okay student, now two graphs are there. Okay, but this is a single graph. Okay, single data is mentioned. Okay, so we will see if we can show the information from both graphs in a single graph. Now you can see this graph, more information can be given using less space. Beside, comparing Ajay and Vijay's wheat production also becomes easier. Such graphs are called joint bar graphs. Okay, where more information can be gathered using a less space. Okay, only one graph is required and two, no need of making separate two graphs. Okay, so this is nothing but a joint bar graph. Now we will see student how to make this kind of a graph. So student, let us start with practice set 31. The number of saplings planted by schools on World Tree Day is given in the table below. Draw a joint bar graph to show these figures. Students, same question I had written in my graph book. You are going to use a graph book. Okay, if book is not available, pages will also do. Okay, question should be on this page, means this ruled page. Okay, this is called ruled page. Here I written the question. You are going to write the question, but not by this color pen. I want blue pen. Okay, for your better understanding, I had written with this colorful pen. Okay, so here on this graph page, you are going to plot a graph. First, you are going to draw a y-axis. Okay student, this is called, this vertical line is called y-axis. This horizontal line is called x-axis. Okay, then after that you are going to write a scale. Okay, this should be written with the pencil. Okay, now here I will see the reading is 40, 60, 72, 15. Okay, so I'll take 10 difference, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, 10 ka difference. And here will be the name of the sapling. Okay, on x-axis. Okay, on x-axis I have written name of sapling. See, on y-axis 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. Okay, from here to here this is 1 centimeter is equals to 10 sapling. I had took 10 sapling का gap. On x-axis पे क्या लिया है मैंने, saplings लिए हैं. ठीक है, almond and all. Now see how to do. First is Nutan Vidyalaya. Okay, see Nutan Vidyalaya I am going to keep it blank and Bharat Vidyalaya I am going to shade it. ठीक है, ऐसे ऐसे शेड करना है. तो नूतन विद्यालय का 40 है ऑलमोंड, तो ऑलमोंड कितना है नूतन का 40. ठीक है, देखो ये है, this is, you are going to use a scale for making line. Okay, this is नूतन विद्यालय. ठीक है, ब्लैंक. अभी भरत विद्यालय का 42, तो ये 40, 41, 42. Okay, this is 42. So here will be भरत विद्यालय को मैं शेड करूँगी क्योंकि मैंने बोला है कि आई है शेडिंग. ठीक है, एज यू कैन सी. समझा? ये नूतन विद्यालय मेंशन किया मैंने, ब्लैंक रहेगा, एंड भरत विद्यालय का शेड। सी करंज का कितना है 60 यहाँ तक। ओके, सो दिस इज करंज। ओके, दिस इज करंज। देन 38 फॉर नूतन, ये 38, ठीक है। दिस इज भरत, तो शेड। अंडरस्टूड? देन नेक्स्ट इज 72 फॉर नूतन, 72, 70 एंड 2, ठीक है। mm, 60, दिस इज 60, ठीक है। इसको शेड। अंडरस्टूड? पूरा शेड। देन नेक्स्ट इज 15, here is 15, ठीक है। here is 15, ठीक है। देन 25 is here. This is shade 25. Then 42, this is 50, 40, 42, ठीक है। Then 40, ये 40, shade. Understood? This is two information of Nutan Vidyalaya as well as Bharat Vidyalaya in one graph. So this is a joint bar graph. I hope student you understood this. Okay student, now we will do sixth sum. Okay, same question I had written here. Okay, same way. See, one Maharashtra I will keep blank, and for Gujarat I will shade it. Okay, Maharashtra 46. Same on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 10% literate. Okay, 10 का gap I have took. Here I had written here. Okay, now see, in 1946, here is 46. As you can see, 20, 30, 40, 40. Here 5 and here is 6. Okay, this is 6. Kindly take a scale to draw a line. Okay, I am holding my phone in one hand, that's why I cannot use phone scale. Then 40, this 40 for this. Okay, so what I'll do, for Gujarat I'll shade it, ठीक है। ये शेड है पूरा, understood? This is shade. Next 57, 55, 57, ठीक है। ये है 57, then 45, this is 45. Okay, shade. Then 65, 60, 65, ठीक है। Then 61, 61. Okay, shade it. Entire thing should be shaded. Okay, draw it nicely. Then 77, 77. Okay, then 69. 69. Shade it. Okay, shade it properly. I'm just then 83. Then 79. Okay, this is 79. Shade it. So student, I hope you understood this. Now I want you to do rest of sums. Okay, so complete 31 into your notebook. So student, I hope you all understood this chapter. Write the practice set 31 into your notebook. Till then student, take care. Thank you.